think I got it. Oh my gosh.
No, this world can be so cruel. We have our hands tied, they treat us like we're fools.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time ever watching a video of mine, hello, my name is Lonyea, and in today's video we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. So we're going to be using the new Alter Ego Goddess palette. I do have an affiliate link and also a coupon code that'll be down in the description box. They did reach out to me. They sent me this palette and then they reached out and said they had a coupon code, and I believe their products are already affordable. And I think this is the brand that creates dupes of popular palettes, and I think this one is like a subculture dupe in a sense. It's not 100% the same exact thing, but it's very, very similar. You get, what is that, 15 different shades, and this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. As you can see, I've already swatched it. I've been really excited about this palette since I received it in PR. What was that, like 3 weeks ago? I received it before I moved, and there's just so many looks that I want to do with this palette. I'm just like, oh my god, like, let's do it. Of course, the two teal colors are the colors that are like really standing out to me, and then there's like a couple of like duochromes where they look one color but then the light hits it at a different angle and it looks a different color. I'm just super excited to see how this look is going to turn out. So if you guys are interested in that, then please keep on watching. Okay, so my lid is already primed. I actually filmed like an intro that wasn't recorded before my uncle came and then it got deleted. So I'm actually gonna like move this down a bit because, wait, yeah, there we go. Like, I like to be center mass. So yeah, my lid's already primed. I have on I'm actually gonna turn this down a little bit. I feel like it's just a tad bit bright. Yeah, there we go. I thought it was a little bright, so I just turned it down a little bit. But I have the ColourPop No Filter Concealer on as my primer, and then I just set it down with a translucent base. I am going to go in with Athena, which is this one right here. Athena is just like a mustardy, like camel kind of color. I'm sure it's not going to show up too much on me, but if you are a little fairer, it might. Actually, it's showing up a bit. Yeah, it's showing up a bit. Definitely like more green. I'm going to take a little bit of Iris. Iris is right next to it. You can kind of see the color difference between the two. Iris is a little bit more of like my concealer color. Like it's not too crazy. And the main purpose of me putting that color is just as a transition. So it's gonna be the color between my brow bone and the crease shade. And the color that I'm gonna go in with for the crease is going to be Gaia. The blue color. I don't know, I'm butchering it because I don't know. I'm going to use this JH33 brush to put this color. I'm really nervous about this. I've only worked with teal once, and teal isn't like my favorite color to work with. I just feel like it's hit or miss. So we're going to see. I'm starting by packing this. Ooh, I'm sorry. I keep moving in and out and the color keeps adjusting. So I'm just gonna move my mirror up as close as possible so that I won't keep adjusting, because I know that's pretty weird, but I'm just going to pack it out into the outer edge because I want to do like a little like half cut crease type of effect. And then I'm just going to take the tip of the brush and start to blend. So when I pack the color on the outer corner, it disperses some of the product out, so that way when I start to blend, I'm not blending like a crap ton of product into the crease. Now there is some fallout, so if you do like to do your makeup after you do your face, you'll want to make sure that you apply some setting powder just to catch any fallout, things like that. I personally like to do my face last, just for that purpose alone. I get paranoid, like seriously paranoid with fallout and ruining my under eye concealer and everything, so I just like to do it this way. But we can kind of start to see a little bit of a gradient. I am going to go back in with the first brush, which is the JH36. I'm going to take a little bit more of Athena with a little bit of iris and just use that to blend over the edge. Now I'm not sure if, so I think with this palette, at least with the blue color, I would have needed to not set it down just because it would have had something to stick to. Plus I've had this primer on my eye for an hour without putting anything directly over it right afterwards. So just many factors today that could have changed the way that this is applying. It's not applying bad, but it's just a little patchy right out here in the outer corner where I had a little bit of creasing going on after setting my concealer and applying the concealer. So, yeah, it's just a little patchy. This is a little patchy. So I'm probably, since it is patching like that, I'm probably just going to go ahead and just cut it like a regular cut crease just to alleviate that. So I'm going to use my Dose of Colors concealer brush. You can order this brush off of Dose of Colors website, or you can just use any flat concealer brush. The reason I like this one is because it's really thin. There's not like a thick amount of bristles, so it makes applying a cut crease really nice. Then I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution. This is the cut crease canvas. This is in the lightest color of Create, and the main reason I used Create was because it's light. I didn't want a color that was close to my skin tone. I wanted a color that was going to be lighter that would actually like really show up. So like I mentioned, I'm just going to cut the crease, and I'm going to speed through this because it takes me quite a bit. So if you're a fuck up like me, excuse my language, I'm gonna use Gaia on a flat brush. This is a JH43, and I'm just going to stamp it over the top of the cut because I keep messing it up. This is also going to make that line a little darker. And just add a little bit of shading there. So now you have that, and I don't want to say harsh, but you kind of have that harsh line of blue. And then you can take the brush that you used to apply the blue and just kind of go over it a little bit, just to blend out. I am going to take a little bit more of this just to kind of clean up the edge because the blue kind of bled down. All right, so for the lid, I think I'm going to use Cassandra, which is right down here. It's like a gold with like green reflects in it. It's actually really, really, really pretty. I'm going to use a Makeup Geek foiled eyeshadow brush just because I want it to give that foiled kind of effect, which is also why I didn't set it down. So this is just going to go all over the lid. Oh my god, why am I so messy today? Okay, so this look actually turned out pretty. Obviously this won't be as low down. And then I'm going to clean up everything. I think I might actually smudge the lash line as well. Because I don't have a gel eyeliner this color. I might have a glitter this color. How extra do I want to be today? I don't know. I kind of just want to like leave it and just pop on lashes. I think I might do that because the last time I did a teal look or a look with teal eyeshadow, I ended up smudging it and I don't want them to look similar. So I think I'm gonna leave it. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, jam out, do my face. I know you guys like to see face routines. Not today, but someday. Personally, I like to film a foundation routine separately from my eyeshadow just because I like to talk. And once I film my foundation and my eyeshadow, the video is like 30 minutes long. And who wants to sit through a 30-minute video? I don't even like to edit 30-minute videos, which are actually in reality an hour video with 30 minutes edited down. But I rewatch my videos and I don't even like to watch them. So I'm gonna save you guys the pain. I'll probably do like a foundation routine, like an updated foundation routine, just because I haven't in a while. And then, yeah. So, I also want to do a skincare favorites video, because I've been loving some new skincare products that I haven't really been trying. So let me know if that's something that you guys are interested in. And yeah, I'm gonna do the other eye. Alexa, resume music. Okay, you guys, so for the lower lash line, I think I'm going to pop in this ColourPop Cream Gel Eyeliner. This is in the shade Zulu, and it's just a really light, like, mint green kind of color. I was thinking about, like, mixing two, which I think I still might, because I also have Teaspoon right here, which is a little more green. I think I'm just going to, like, mix the two of these. First, I'm going to apply teaspoon. And the main reason I wanted to mix is because I didn't want it to be like too monochromatic, you know? Yeah, so just apply a teaspoon. Now I'm gonna apply some of Zulu. Oh my gosh, ooh, overexposure. Okay, and then for the lower lash line, I'm going to apply more of the color that we applied in the crease. I'm just going to smoke it. I'm going to use Gaia. And I'm using this a smudge brush from Moda Brushes. It's out of the Totally Electric brush set. I I don't know if I want to go all the way out. Like, I kind of do, but I kind of don't. So I think I'm just going to keep it just right underneath of the lower lash line. Instead of smudging all the way across. And there is still some fallout. I'm just going to make sure that I wipe that away, just to be safe. And the main reason I'm getting fallout is because I'm not tapping off the excess with my brush. So if you tap off the excess, you'll have less fallout. But I just like to be extra, I guess. Okay, and for lashes, I'm going to use the More Lashes in the style Dream Chaser. This is nothing new. I like literally always wear these. And then I will be back. Okay, you guys, so I just went ahead and put on mascara, put on my lashes. Now I'm going to do my lips, and y'all already know I'm doing a nude. Like, it's really not a surprise at this point. But I'm going to use the Kiss lip liner in chocolate. I really like this lip liner, actually. And I'm sure it's pretty affordable, too, because Kiss products are usually pretty affordable. I am glowy today. This Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, I forgot how, like, blinding it is. Like, literally, that's all you see on my face. Oops. Oops. Okay, and then for liquid lipstick, I'm going to use this Mini Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Catching Feelings. It's like a really pretty nude. I saw it last night, and I was like, okay, I definitely want to use that. It's really pretty. It reminds me of Cork a little, or a Starfish from AVH. Reminds me of that. Alright, you guys, so this completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry about the lighting change. My camera, I didn't move it back out, and it was really overexposed. Hopefully I can help some of that in post edits, but I can't really say for sure. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. My thoughts on this palette. The shimmer was really nice. I forgot to mention that as I was applying it, because I was just like applying it. The shimmers are really pretty. Now Gaia is the only one that gave me a problem. I'm not sure if I use it on because it is that blue teal kind of color, blue greenish kind of color. I'm not sure if I were to put that color over just an eyeshadow base or just a concealer without setting it down, if it would have been more been able to stick more. But in the crease, like, it applied like fine. It was just like the outer V, like where it was a little patchy. Definitely want to get more looks out of this palette. It's all messy because I'm super greasy, but I really like this palette so far. I'm not sure how much it costs. Let me look it up and see how much it is. Okay, so this palette is $16, you guys. $16, and it's a gorgeous palette. Like, it's a really pretty palette. I would say if you don't have any of these colors in your collection or anything like that, it would not hurt to have a majority neutral palette with a couple pops of blue, but it's majority kind of like neutral, more on the like golden side. So I really like that. There's a couple of like shades in here, like Valkyrie and Venus, that I really want to use. Like, I've been really into like gold, like doing like gold bronzy looks, so I'm super excited to use it again. I'll definitely be showing it on my channel pretty soon here. I've got a couple other palettes that I want to do some looks with that I haven't been able to yet, but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That's at Lonyea Maiden, and Snapchat is Lonyea, but I never get on Snapchat, so just follow me on Instagram and you'll literally see all the behind the scenes, my entire life, like pretty much everything, whenever I remember to record, of course. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!